We're at a parking garage on 1st Avenue South in St. Pete, Florida, and apparently we're going down. Wonder why it's backwards. Let's go to 7, 6, 5. And Scenic. Here we are at 5. Let's go back down to G. They're Otis. Can't tell if they're Elevonic 401 or 411. Here's your certificate. Expires August 2025. Here's your cab view, real quick. I'm gonna go for one more ride up to 5. We're gonna ride the other elevator too. Let's go to 5. Let's go back down to G. The McNulty garage, according to this. Here's your cab view. We're gonna look out the window on the second ride. Real quick, here's your inspection certificate. Here's your phone, which is a little out of place. Let's go back to 5. Actually, on second thought, we're going to do a third ride because I want to do another ride a little closer up to the window. Well, we're going up. We're at 7. This is visitor parking. 6 must exit 5 and walk up the ramp. So actually, let's go up and see that for ourselves because I'm actually kind of curious. But let's watch the view first. Walk up the ramp. So we're gonna do just that. We're gonna walk up the ramp. So just to show you, I'm here on P5. I walked up the ramp a little bit, and there's a gate right here that makes it so half of P6 is public and half of P6 is private. It's for the apartments, I believe, that are above this garage. White LED. So here's a quick view. This is what you could see from the elevator. Not really sure what all these buildings are since this is actually my first time in downtown St. Pete in quite a while. But we're gonna cut to when we get the elevator. And we got this one, so we're just gonna ride it down. You can actually see down the shaft a little bit anyways. Alright, we're gonna go down to G. Here's a look from the outside. You can see a few extra floors. Those are where the apartments are. Anyway, that'll be it.